We will do a short exercise to remember the use of can and could. Fill in the blanks with can or could. Fill in the blanks. With can or could. First sentence, I dash take a day off whenever I want. I dash take a day off, a day off whenever I want. Next sentence, we dash bring our dog, bring our dog into the parlor. Next, he said, we dash leave the office whenever we wanted. And the fourth one, dash I use your phone and fifth one, dash you please pass the sauce to me. Okay, now we have 5 sentences here and the usage of can or could. First one, fill in the blanks with can or could. Fill in the blanks with can or could. First one, I dash take the dog off a day off whenever I want. I can take a day off whenever I want. We dash bring our dog into the parlor. We could bring our dog into the parlor. He said, we can leave. He said, we can leave we can leave the office whenever we want it. And the next one, could, could I use your phone? Could I use your phone? Could. Could I use your phone? Next, could you please pass the sauce to me? Could. So, we come to the end of the exercise, learning the usage of can or could in filling in the blank. First, I can take a day off whenever I want. We could bring our dog into the parlor. He said, we can leave the office whenever we wanted. Could I use your phone? Could you please pass the sauce to me?